Hello YouTube and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be installing exhaust seats and intake seats on vintage 312 Yblock cylinder heads. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You don't have a seat and guide machine at your shop, but you can sit back and watch and see how we do it in the shop. All right, let's get to it.
All right, today we're going to be installing a seat in a 312 Ford cast iron cylinder head. A lot of modern cars have a seat that gets pressed in. On these older heads, the cylinder heads, they're cast iron. So the seat is actually just casted into it. So that's one of the reasons we need to put a seat in, like on the exhaust, is for the unleaded fuel. In this particular case, we're going to be installing a seat because these seats are sunk in way too far. So, all right, so you're going to get a seat. You can just go to the SBI catalog if you were going to do this and pick out a seat right out of the catalog. This is the seat for this application, and it's pretty cool. The part number tells you the seat outside diameter. So S-1, that's the outside diameter, is going to be a 2-inch seat. All right, so if you can see that's 4 thousandths big. It's 2-inch, 2.004. That's 4 thousandths bigger than 2-inch. Well, the part number says it's a SB 2000. 2000 being 2-inch. Awesome way that they do it. The part number is the size of the seat. But what they do is they go ahead and put in the 4 thousandths press fit that this seat needs to not fall out of the cylinder head. Very important, the press fit. Now, an aluminum cylinder head is going to have 7 thousandths press fit. It's a different part number. So make sure you get the correct seat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the catalog to the back, and I found the same 2-inch seat, but a lot taller. They sunk these so bad that I'm going to actually put in a taller seat in the head to bring everything back up. All right, let me show you how we're going to cut this seat out. All right, let's get this cylinder head level. All right. All right, now it's level. I like to just spin it, let it go wherever it wants to go and see if it's still level or not. And then you can tell wherever you put it, it's going to be level. All right. Yeah. Okay, we have our 2-inch cutter. I'm going to go ahead and put this over the pilot and let it float. You can see that, but I can move this around. So we want to go and set it right there. Hit it a couple times. Stop it, people. Put our cutter on. And then we're essentially ready to cut. But what I like to do is I like to put the seat cutter right even with the deck. I did say deck. Lock it in place. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my depth. Okay, I'm going to use my stop up here. I'm going to get the seat that I'm using. I'm just going to put it down right there, lock it. I'll pull the seat out. The machine is not going to go any further than that right there. So that's how I'm going to set how much I'm going to cut. Now let's go ahead and go down. Stop the people. Okay, here we go. Look at there. There you go. Now that's how you cut a seat. Let's go ahead and cut the rest of them and then we'll install them. Let's go ahead and install the seat. The seat's going to have a bevel at the bottom. The bevel goes down. We want a nice installation tool set. You don't want to get in there with just a socket. Not on this. This is going to align it perfect. Look at that. Then we have a pretty heavy duty tool right there on top. But it's going to allow it to go in perfectly straight and not go in at an angle and have any disturbances. Drop everything. All right. So there you have the seat. That's 4 thousandths press fit. It goes in. We're not going to drop a seat. I'm actually doing a taller seat than the factory seat would have been. See there? So it's going to stick out the top. That's what I want. I'm going to go ahead and now cut all the tops even with the combustion chamber. But there you go. That's how you install a seat. For those who want to know, there you go, Fun with Cars. That's how you put in a seat. See the last one from there, barely. Seat, bevel down. Bevel down. Okay. There we are. Fresh set of seats installed. I'm going to go and do some porting on these heads, so I'm going to take care of that inside lip. Man, it's going to be nice. It's taller. I'm going to go ahead and spot them on the top, get them nice and flush with the combustion chamber. And we essentially have brand new cylinder heads now, essentially, kind of. All the seats are new, all the guides are new. Now I can do my valve job like it's never had a valve job before, plus with hardened seats. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. To you, Fun with Cars.
All right, this video was made for one of our viewers who wanted to see how a seat was installed, how it was machined and installed. So did this video just for you. All right, good to be back. We'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Give me some love.